So today we will talk about the start screen. This is the start screen. Okay, you can access the desktop by clicking on the tile of the desktop or by using the Windows button on your keyboard. باستخدام زر الويندوز في الكيبورد. As we said, this start screen is new for Windows 8.1. It wasn't in Windows 7. ما كانت موجودة في Windows 7. Those shapes that you see here, we call them tiles. We call them what? Tiles. Okay. Some of these tiles are updated. You can see it's moved. Okay. Update. تتحدث. We call them live tiles. We call them live tiles. As you can see, there is a different size of these tiles, but you can change the size of the tile. Just right click on the tile and you will find the option resize. When you click on the resize, you have four options: small, which is like this; medium, which is like this; wide, which is the wide one, العريض, okay, and large, like the weather tile. Okay. Also, you can uninstall the software or the application from using or by using the uninstall option. Pin to taskbar, which is here at the bottom of the desktop. We have this bar here, شريط هذا, we called it taskbar, شريط المهام. So if we want to add a new application to the task or to the start screen, we go to search for this application. Let's suppose we need to pin the paint application, برنامج الرسام, to the start screen. Just start typing the name of the application. This is the paint application. If we want to pin it to the start screen, right click on the application. You will see there is option here which is pin to start. Once we click on it, the paint application will display it on the start screen. If we want to remove, if we want to remove the paint application from the start screen or any application, right click. The same way you will have the option unpin from start. So we remove it. We have also the ability to pin any application to the taskbar. يمدينا كمان نحطه على التاسك the same way we search for the application like paint or word or anything. Right click, the second option, pin to taskbar, and once you do it, you will see the application icon on the taskbar. If we want to remove it, also right click, you will have the first option from the bottom, unpin this program from the taskbar, and it will disappear. Another thing regarding the tiles, we can move them, organize them as we need. For the live tiles, we have the option to stop or turn off the tile. It will stop updating or moving, and the inverse, we can turn it on, يعني نشغلها, and we will have it live again. Okay, this is for the start screen. We have also the taskbar here, which is contain the Windows button اللي هو زر الويندوز, and we have these pinned application, برامج مشبوكة هنا أو محطوطة. We have the notification. We have the battery. If you are using a laptop, it's not in the PCs. We have the network or the wireless. If it's wireless, you can see it in this sign. If it's Ethernet, يعني كابل مشبوك, it will be like this. We have also the audio options, صوت, the language, تبديل بين اللغات, and the time and date اللي هو التوقيت والتاريخ. On the right corner here, في الزاوية هنا على اليمين, if we have something like opened Windows here, once you click or move the mouse pointer or sensor to this corner, it will disappear automatically or manual. Now it's disappear automatically because I have the option peek at desktop, which is a question in the CIT or in your exams, اللي هي النظرة الخاطفة على سطح المكتب. Okay, if we have a right click on this corner, okay, you can see peek at desktop active or tick here. If I remove it, so nothing will happen until I click by using the mouse to look at the desktop. يعني عشان اناظر او اطلع على الديسكتوب لازم انقر بالماوس على هذه الزاوية، شايفينها عم تصير بلون ابيض شوي. اوكي، if I want this to happen automatically، اذا ابغى هذا الشيء هذا يصير تلقائيا، اوكي، right click and active the option، وفعل الخيار اللي هو peek at desktop. So now we have this option active. طيب, another thing regarding the tools of Windows 8, if we move the mouse to the upper corner on the right, we will have this bar. What we call this bar, this is Charms bar. Charms bar. We have the search, share, start, device, and setting on this bar, and also you will have the date and network with battery informations. Okay, there is a shortcut for this to display لإظهار charm bar, which is Windows with C. Windows with C by using your keyboard.